Hey, what's up, guys? Little update here. We just got in some new wheels. So just ordered these Kansei wheels. I think that's how you pronounce it. I actually have a buddy who works over there, so I got a discount on these. So we're actually going to unbox these and take a look. They are 18-inch by 9.5, 20 plus 22 offset. And I also ordered the cheapest tires I could find that are 255 40 R18s, just to make sure that they would fit. I got the cheapest wheels just in case. I also ordered a fender roller to roll the wheels, so we're gonna get these all set up. So anyhow, let's jump into the unboxing. Nice, we got some Kansei stickers. I like that. They're telling me here that we need to test fit the wheels and do not mount tires or they won't take any returns. So that's what we'll do here in a minute. Check that out right there. Woo! That is sick. Look at that. Really nice. Ooh! Let's see what we got. Oh, there it is. There she is. Look at that. That is gonna be sick. See if I can get a good shot of that. All right, let's put them on the car for a minute, see how they look. Alright guys, there it is. That's gonna be the new wheels. Looks pretty sick. I'm a little concerned. That we might have too much poke here. I don't know. It's gonna be close. I mean, I checked on Fitment Industries and there's guys running these wheels here. 9.5, so 9.5 plus 22 offset. So I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna roll the fenders. We'll see. I'm gonna put it on the back. It's probably gonna be a lot more square and flush on the back, and we might just be poking a little bit in the front. We'll see. You know, that's okay because I don't really care to go super slammed. But so far so good. New Kansei wheels, loving it. Gonna look good. I got the tires coming in 2 days. We'll get them mounted. Alright guys, just checking the fitment in the back. It looks like it's gonna be super flush in the back. I don't have the lug nuts yet. They're still being shipped, but looks like it's gonna be real flush. It might poke a little bit in the front, but we'll get this dialed in. I think they're gonna look great. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. All right, you guys, here's the lug nuts. They came in. Let's check these out. Look at that. I got Kansei Super Wheel lugs. I got black because I kind of want to go white and that polished steel, you know, and black. And I'm gonna get some like maybe black accented like headlights and the black spoiler. So we're gonna be doing white, black, and steel chrome, kind of chrome look. All right, man, these are gonna look good, guys.